This video will demonstrate how to repair a cracked engine block using an E.M.P. high-strength engine block repair epoxy. The first step is to identify where the crack begins and ends. Follow the same procedures for any splits or offshoots off the main crack. 2 holes are drilled to stop the crack from propagating any further. Drill the holes 1/16 inch away from the visible end and beginning of the crack, just in case the crack is extended further than what is visible. We then proceed to mark the next series of holes to be drilled at approximately 1 inch apart. Using a tap wrench and the appropriate tap, proceed to cut the threads into the pre-drilled holes. Apply thread seal tape or thread locker on the bolts as per manufacturer's specifications. After the bolts have been installed, cut them flush to the casing as best as possible. Using a grinder, proceed by sanding all the bolts flush to the engine block. Next, V out the crack and prepare the surface about 3 inches around the damage. Profile the surface for best adhesion and mechanical bond when using engine block repair epoxy. Using a brush, clean the area with E.M.P. cleaner number 701. Tape the area for a clean repair. Engine block repair epoxy comes in pre-measured kits ready for use. On a mixing board, remove the contents of the resin and the hardener. Using a flat putty knife, mix well as shown until a smooth, streak-free consistency has been achieved. Using the stiff bristle brush supplied in your kit, apply a thin coat to the prepared surface. Next, apply a coat of engine block repair epoxy using the applicator supplied. E.M.P. Fiberzite mat is then installed by first saturating the mat on both sides by taking some product and applying it to the matting using the applicator. Press firmly to saturate. Using your brush supplied, lightly press and dab to sit the mat down, making sure to remove any air pockets. Apply another coat of epoxy over the Fiberzite mat. Remove the tape. Your repair is now complete. If a smooth finish is desired, wait about 15 minutes or just before the material gets hard. Drench your glove with water and smooth the material out as shown.